Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm showing you a complete full set including my prep, tips, everything. So here I'm using my Ethel tool from Navy Pro Tools. Does look in videos like I'm being really harsh with it, but it doesn't hurt my clients or anything like that. It's not uncomfortable. So it literally scrapes all that dead skin off the nail plate and pushes the cuticles back. You can get 10% off Navy Pro Tools using my discount code CABIN10, and I'll leave the link to all the products that I use in this video in the description box. And these are the best tools I've ever used. They're a bit more expensive than most tools, but they are amazing. I've had this one for months now and it's still really nice and sharp. It still works really well, and prep is key so your nails lasting really. If you skip on prep, then you're probably going to get lifting, your clients losing nails, things like that. So don't skimp on your tools because cheaper tools aren't as good. So I then come in with my Helen nippers, and again, it's just my action. I think it looks like I'm really pulling at the skin, but I'm not. And as you can see, all the skin that's coming off in the nippers. These are another amazing tool from Navy. So onto my prep, so I'm just filing that free edge just so it's even, and then I'm just buffing over really lightly on my client's natural nail, just removing that shine. So then remove all the dust and spray with my Prep Spray Plus. And now I'm applying my Pro Impressions Advanced Competition. No, they're not. I'm lying. These are the tapered tips from Pro Impressions, not the competition ones. I've started using these recently and I really love them. They stick so quickly. They don't crack when I cut them. They're really nice and soft and flexible. They're easy to shape. And I love the finished shape that you get. Even when you're doing a coffin shape, you still get a bit of a curve because they are quite a curved tip. And I also find that they do suit everyone's nails as well. Sometimes the curved tips don't fit on everyone's nails, but these really do. Cut to my client's desired length and then cut to shape using my stalk scissors. And now I'm just filing those tips into a nice refined coffin shape. And just blending in the wings. So I've got a nice smooth base to apply my acrylic onto. And remove all the dust and another quick spray with Prep Spray Plus. And then I'm going in with my thin clear base using CJP Crystal Glass and my big boy brush. As you can see, I don't go all the way to the cuticle with the clear base, just because I like to get right up to my cuticle with my colour. And I find that when your client comes back for an infill, that bit round the cuticle area will file out quite easily anyway, because it should be nice and thin. So on this nail, I'm doing a reverse smile line and I'm using Perfect Peach from CJP. So I just push those wings down, blend the back of that bead in with a natural nail so you don't get any shadowing when you apply your cuticle bead. And then I use my brush just to neaten up that shape, get that nice wall built up all the way around. And You need that wall so you've got something to put your colour up to. And you need to make sure with your cuticle bead that you're getting your apex in the right place, because I'm using a strength powder on the tip, so I won't be capping this nail. As you can see, I push up to the cuticle and get my brush behind it, and I just blend up the top of the bead in with the first bead that I applied. And just check from a side view to make sure your apex is in the right place, and mine needed a little bit more adding, so just add another bead and blend that in. And my mixed nail is exactly the same as this. And these three nails that I'm doing next are exactly the same. So I'm applying a small bead of Perfect Peach in the cuticle area. Just blending that up into my tip, keeping it nice and thin. I love Perfect Peach, and I'm doing it with blue, and I find that Perfect Peach and blue go so nice together. On the tips of these three nails, I'm applying a tiny bead of CJP Electric Blue, and I'm just blending that back, and I'm going to be coming in with some glitter on top of this. Over the top, I am applying the Glitter Fairy Bright Blue Metallic Chunky Cut Glitter. So just pick up a small bead of crystal glass and dip straight into the glitter, and just blend that back, move those pieces of glitter around using the tip of your brush. And then I'll come back and cap these three nails once they're set. So then come in with my file, keeping it at a 90-degree angle, and I'm filing all the way around that wall, making sure you're getting right into those wings as well, just so you've got that nice crisp wall to butt your colour up to. Remove all the dust, and I'm applying electric blue on the tip. So then come in with my electric file just to remove a bit of that blue that's on the smile line. So I'm using my Sayang K35 and my Cuckoo Special Edition bit. So then I come in with my hand file and do my usual filing techniques, starting off with those side walls sort of coming up and over on that side, making sure it's nice and crisp and straight. Refine my free edge, come round the side wall, round my cuticle area and up the other side wall. And then I come down the barrel of the nail, and I'm looking down my nail and from a side view to make sure my apex is in the right place and all the product is nice and even. And then I buff over with a white block buffer. Just on darker colours, I find that the colour shows scratches from the file. So I just find if I buff over, it just takes some of those scratches out. So then remove all the dust, wipe over with acetone, and then I'm applying my CJP Tack Free Top Gloss to all the nails, and then I cure in my LED lamp for 60 seconds. And here's your finished look. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed it.